What's up, guys? Good afternoon. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. Hope everybody having a wonderful day. Today we got good sun outside. It ain't super cold, but you know it's pretty decent outside. So, as I shown in the video, we purchased a mobile home, 3-bedroom mobile home. So we're in the process of renovating. I decided I'm gonna take y'all through the process with me. So today we're going to go get some drywall and some sheets of plywood. The floor got a couple spots in the floor where it's soft, so we're gonna fix that. And they got holes in the wall from the previous owner. He was a slob. We're gonna go ahead and fix the walls and things like that. So we'll take y'all along with the process, man. So stay tuned. Me and my daughter, we're gonna run to the store, and before we get ready to leave, we're gonna run to the store, grab a few things, because the trailer is not near a store. It takes a little bit to get to a store. Nobody trying to keep riding 10-15 minutes to the store. So yeah, catch y'all in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. So we getting ready to go in the Ollie's, as y'all just say. Good stuff cheap, and see what they got.
Good stuff cheap.
For the new trailer remodel. So figure I'll take you guys along with me while we on our way in here to look at a few things.
Yeah. We got new cheeses.
Oh yeah, they got some new cheese.
Hot cheddar.
Hot cheddar, huh? I might have to grab me a box of those on my way out. Try them out. They might taste pretty good. So yeah.
Yeah, look at these cakes.
Yeah. I'll stop right here for a second.
Your doorknob's right here, Mom.
Okay. Ain't bad. And doorknobs, locks is $8. Doorknobs, 10. Things like that.
We could have that one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That even has a lock with it.
Huh. Checking out the shower heads.
That's
Excuse
a
me.
big shower head.
Yeah. You know, we just bought the square one.
And the circular one.
Yeah, as a set. Excuse me. I just wanted to see their prices and what we paid.
I'm gonna go see what they found.
Bro, they got a sale on Amazon for them.
For these?
Yeah. We got the one where it's 2-in-1. It's like one of these. And the square one together. We paid like $20.
Oh, that's a good deal. Okay.
Yeah, so check them out.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, because we remodeling a trailer.
Yep.
And that's what we got. We got one of them showers, the silver one.
Silver one. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, man.
No
Appreciate
problem,
that.
man. Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah. That shit.
I'll go through the little pieces, but I ain't doing the big one again. Wait a minute.
We picked out. All right, guys. We picked out some tile flooring for the house, for the trailer. We'll grab this one, 12 by 12. That color,
It's like a old-fashioned wood.
Yeah. It actually goes with the trailer and our gray couch. So that's the one we're gonna go for. This one. So yeah, we went through a little struggle. I ain't gonna lie to you. He was digging through these, pulling them out. You know, figure out which one we want for my wife. These right here is a monster.
These things is heavy.
But he dug through it. He got it done. And we picked that one. So he said he tired. So
That was a struggle.
So now we're waiting on the people after we hit the ding ding bell for them to come up and
Speaking of which, ring that little bell.
carry
Subscribe.
it to the front instead of him having to carry it. But like he said, make sure y'all hit that notification bell at the bottom
Y'all subscribe.
and hit the thumbs up. Make sure the notification bell turned on to all so you can get all upcoming content that I put out. Told you, it's a little bit about my life and what I'm doing. I get my days, y'all might not see me, but we back at it again, doing a little bit. Kind of exciting about purchasing a house. Never did it, first time. So consider myself a homeowner. So we're gonna go through the process of decorating and all of that type of stuff. We gotta go, like I said, we gotta go get tile and plywood.
Can you call me?
So gotta go get that, and then we can put down the floor and we can put down tile in the living room. We got a little spot to fix, and then we need tile for the bathroom and everything. We just a whole redo. So yeah, I get back to y'all in a little bit after they go grab the sheet of towel. That way my son ain't gotta carry it. So catch y'all in a minute. They doing a lot of talking.
And my pockets
That
are
don't even
still.
smell good.
And they smell delicious. They smell pretty good.
Dad, can you see if you see the water, like the waterfall
Ooh,
furnace?
that smells.
That's what I'm looking.
That smells good.
That's strong.
That's a pretty cool chopping block.
What's with this?
It was sitting over here with the chopping blocks. It gotta be a chopping block. Cause look, you over here in the chopping block. Look, chopping block.
See now the side
Right.
handles are.
That one got
unfilled.
handles on the side, but this one got handles right here. But I like it though.
It would go with the kitchen.
That's pretty cool.
$10.
It's
Ain't that cool?
It's different.
Ain't-
Open sesame. Look at him carrying that. That's how I'm about it. Oh.
Open the door.
Just go ahead. Boy, having a problem. Watch out. You don't get no car to take you out with that. Goodness gracious, huh?
And the breaking somebody's windshield.
After they break you. Alright, we're gonna open up.
Niggas are breaking windows here. Gotta watch how far I push it.
This truck. Oh shit, somebody ain't connected.
No, you went over. Gotta lay down slowly.
Shit, my hat just went up. Alright, so we here. We made it. Sorry, I gotta grab my tools out real quick, y'all. Give me a second. I grab my tools. I grabbed a bucket of screws. And I actually gotta get my toolbox. But this is stuff that we cleaned out of the trailer. So this is what it was. So yeah, person was a nasty person, but yep, this is the trailer. And we're gonna pressure wash it and everything. Yeah, got work to do. Tore out the carpet. Had two nasty carpets. That was the living room carpet. That other one was the bedroom carpet. They had started replacing the wood floors, but they didn't finish. So our kids' rooms is done. The hallway's done. Now we gotta do the living room. Y'all can see. You know, that's the clothes that they left. We know the people, so they said give it to some friends of ours that want it. So yep, that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna grab this stuff, and then I'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right, so I done ripped this section of drywall that had that hole in it. Now I gotta do this section, get that section up out of there, and replace that. I'll patch that one. Yeah, so clean it up, new installation, and go from there. So that's where I'm at right now. That's what I'm doing. New drywall, y'all can see, and new drywall. So yeah. My daughter getting her scrub on, getting the walls right. You know, trying to get it clean.
So up here needs the soap.
Alright.
Because after a couple minutes of while I was trying to get this, it all just disappeared.
Okay, just get your scrub on. I did that wall right there. Yep, I get all up underneath of there. Yep, get all that nice and clean before we end up painting it. So, yeah, we're working, everybody working. He changing screen door locks so it stops slamming. So, yep, we getting it done.